Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you a jewelry set made of the matchup of two techniques, crackle effect and false stone. I chose blue and copper as the leading colors. First, I'll start by preparing the crackle piece. I'm using FIMO windsor blue and copper leaf. I learned this technique watching a video by Fiona Bell-Smith. I'll leave the link in the description. First, we apply metallic leaf covering the surface of the clay piece, which is stretched at the thickest level on the pasta machine. In my case, it's level 1. Then we go down on the levels until we get the desired effect. I did it 3 times, level 2, then 3, then 4. Starting vertical, then horizontal, then vertical again. If we go always in the same direction, we will get a strip pattern, which can be a nice effect as well. Now the false stone block. I have some translucent and some solid colors. I left some translucent white and colored the rest with a little bit of each solid color. Then I cut each one in tiny pieces. As you can see, I'm using 3 tones of blue, some orange and some yellow. Orange is the complementary color of blue, so I thought it would make a nice contrast with the blue as well as a link with the copper leaf. I grabbed some pearl powder and some blue, mixed them together, and then I mixed and joined randomly the pieces of clay. Making sure every piece of clay is coated by powder. With some liquid clay, I put everything together in a block. I made a few cuts on the block and add some copper leaf. After letting it set for a while, I sliced the block and arranged the pieces together. Hi.